Forbidding as it is beautiful, this simmering cauldron of life has but one rule: adapt. It rewards the strong with a sliver of the ecosystem. All others scratch out a living or perish. Its deepest secrets are known only to the creatures that call it home or ply its waters. Torn from a continent, it has the youngest and most diverse sea on Earth. Thousands of species in a quest for survival, some still unknown to man. The greatest of these are charismatic megafauna, creatures that inspire wonder, joy, fear,